Yes, you can walk on a Firestone RubberCover EPDM roof. Many times I'm asked this question. People do occasionally want to go out, do the window cleaning, that's fine. Occasionally they will also want to pop up and possibly clean the gutters at a higher level. What we do get asked on a fairly regular basis, if I need to access my property higher up, what precautions should I take? I would generally advise people, if they're thinking of putting a ladder onto a flat roof, particularly with a rubber roof, is either put a heavy duty bath towel down there or an offcut carpet before putting the ladder up. That will provide protection to the existing roof covering.